Okay guys, there's big things coming. We're going to start up a pop-up shop soon. Coming near the end of February. We gotta get our stuff sorted. We gotta get our shirts. We gotta get our ink. We gotta get our emulsion. We gotta get our table. We gotta get the tablecloth. We gotta get the racks. We gotta get the everything. So we just got news yesterday that we're going, well, a couple days ago, and I paid the invoice. So it's gonna be like a pop-up shop for black people. So I guess I fall in that category since I'm African. But we're gonna sell this shirt basically. I'm gonna try to replicate the stars and stuff, the gems and the whatever. So we're gonna make one of these shirts, and we're gonna make another shirt, which I've shown in my other videos. I think I'll try to recreate it, but we're gonna just do screen printing since we are short on time. We have to make sure we get everything done because it's like not even 2 weeks away. And also, I don't have the supplies ready. I can't get the manufacturer, so I have to be the manufacturer. And I'm gonna screen print and process everything by hand myself. So we're gonna get that set up. I guess this is part 1. Maybe it's a part 2 series. We'll see how we do this. But we're going to buy a bunch of stuff. I have to get emulsion and blah 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 blah. I have to screen print like about 30 shirts. I'm gonna rework some jeans. I'm gonna maybe do a couple hoodies that we're gonna set up properly for the pop-up shop, as well as I have to do my Shopify setup as well so I can take payments. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. We're in Brampton right now. We're gonna be in Ottawa in a few days. So yes. Alright, so we're on our way to Staples right now. We printed some, well, we're actually back from our trip from Toronto. So we're going back. We have 10 more, what day is it? The 11th, I think? No, the 10th. So we have 11 more days to prepare for this pop-up. So I did a lot today. I got the prints ready. Maybe it's not ready right now. We did business cards. I ordered my blanks. I got ink coming. I got emulsion coming. I'm even gonna pick up more emulsion. So we're like double prepared. I'm even gonna, tonight, maybe not, maybe tomorrow night, we will start making the screens from scratch, like how I usually do. But we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna see what we can do. We're just pulling up by Staples right now. So we're gonna pick up the business cards, which are ready. I don't know if the prints are ready, the designs, but we'll see what we can do. And yeah, we will update you guys shortly. So let's go get that. Oh, so we just picked up, we got both the business cards and the prints. And the business cards, they came out pretty clean. Let me show you how they came out. We just need to cut them because it's kind of lopsided, but you know what? The QR code works. It takes it to the IG, and if you look closely, is it showing properly the details in the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty clean. So we're gonna be handing these out when we're at the pop-up. Also, it's good to just have some in my wallet if anyone wants to know my brand. But yeah, we're gonna go home. We're gonna print these. We're gonna burn them. Right now, we're gonna head to Michael's. We're gonna get the emulsion, and then we'll just kind of see where it takes us. I'm kind of hungry, so we're gonna eat. Okay, let's go. All right, so we just went to Michael's. We got a card holder. We got a little easel chalkboard thing we're gonna write the prices on. We're gonna go home and laminate, like for the pricing. We're gonna have a piece of paper and laminate it, punch a hole in it, and then we're gonna have a string and we're gonna attach it to the rack. The clothing rack is the only thing left we need to buy. What else did we buy? We bought that. We got the emulsion and the remover, and we got a little. We got a little box to hold your stickers, our stickers in. We're gonna make stickers. We also got sticker paper. So we got everything basically. We just need to get the clothing rack, and we're going right now to get tablecloth for our table. And then, yeah, we're gonna see what they have at the thrift. And then we're pretty much ready. We have 11 days and we're looking good. We're on time, we're making time. So, we're waiting for white ink to come. Also, the update on that, I shipped it from another place, but he said that he doesn't want to ship it because it's gonna freeze. It's coming all the way from Vancouver, and I live in Ontario. So he doesn't want to ship it out because it can take 6 days and it's gonna freeze, and you kind of have that stuff freeze. So I'm gonna wait till the springtime to get it. I'm still gonna get it just in the springtime.
I'm just gonna get the white ink because that's okay. If it freezes, that's okay. So we got that coming in soon. We got our shirts coming in soon. I got the order confirmation for both, and we're making good time for this pop-up shop. I just DM'd them, the pop-up shop people, to confirm that, you know, everything is good, and they say yeah, everything is good. We're good for the 21st. So I'm excited. Hopefully it all goes well, and we are ready for stuff for that. Yeah, we're just putting up to Value Village right now to get a tablecloth or whatever we can find, really. Am I parked weird? Probably. Why is it like this? Am I parked on the curb? We got our bulk, I guess. The bulk just came in. And where's the scissors?
Second.
These are going to be used for screen printing shirts. We got 2 types of shirts. We got one from Comfort Colors. These cost about 12 bucks each. We got 2 smalls, 3 mediums, 2 larges, and then I also have an extra 2. So we have about around 8 to 10ish, I guess. Then I got about, not this one. We got some Gildans, but they're nice Gildans actually. Very nice quality ones. These are the heavy cotton ones. I would say they're alright, but they're about 5 bucks per. So the Comfort Color is about 13. These are about $5 per. We got about 20 of these. And we got like 8 or 10 of these. So we're gonna do 2 different types of designs for this pop-up shop. I'm gonna just open this up. I have to be careful I don't actually cut the shirt. I don't know if they sent me the entire order or just the Gildans. Let's see here. I think they sent me everything. So let's see. I got a large here. I gotta make sure we got all our stuff. Look at this, all the gray shirts. I don't even know where I'm gonna put all this. Oh my god. Look at all these shirts. And here's the packing slip I got. So I got 4 small blacks, 7 mediums, 5 larges. And this is all the black shirts right here. So we got a whole bunch of shirts. Look at this. Now this bulk costed me about $190 before taxes. So I got $190 for about 23, 24, 25 pieces. That's not bad. That's about like $8 a shirt, $10 a shirt. So we're gonna be selling these shirts on the pop-up, but these are the more higher quality shirts that we'll be selling, and these are not lower quality. You can definitely feel that it's less quality compared to this, but it's still decent quality. It's a heavy cotton. I got everything I needed. I'm happy with this. We're gonna start doing the shirts soon. I just got my screen set up. I have to just print on them tomorrow. I'll show you guys that process tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna put everything back in the box. We shall continue tomorrow. So we'll see you guys then. Alright. I haven't showed you guys the process fully yet. I've just been really busy. But we got the we got 1 screen finished. We just started doing our stickers. I'm gonna show you all this soon. But as of right now, we are on our way to Michael's so we can get more vinyl so we can do neck tags. And also we're gonna do neck tags. So that's the plan right now. We're going really quick. It closes literally in like 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, I got a red. So yeah, that's why we gotta be super quick right now. And we're gonna get the neck tags. And then we're also gonna get vinyl so we can screen press our own like neck tag. And I'm gonna get neck tags to label the size of our jeans. So it's like, you know those like little neck tags that you see like hanging off like whatever?
Neck tag or price tag?
Price tag, that's the price tag. But we're making our own neck tags and we're gonna try to heat press it onto the neck. We're gonna use vinyl. It's like a heat press vinyl thing. But anyways, we're gonna show you guys what we get. and I'm gonna rush because it's like a 4-minute drive there, and it closes at 9, and it's currently 8:46. So we got 10 minutes to get this done. So always get your coat. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the plan is we're gonna get a few shirts today. Today's Monday. We have, oh my gosh, I didn't say, we have a interview with the news on Friday. Grand reveal. So yeah, we need to get everything done by Friday, not Saturday. So that's why I'm kind of rushing, because I have a day less to work on my stuff. But as you can see, we cleaned up here in the basement. Kind of. It's gonna be kind of, oh, let me show you guys. Look what I did. Some Shack Jack stickers, and they're good quality. Come, look at the on the sewing machine, so you know it's legit. Legit. But like I said, we're going to get some shirts done. I'm gonna put on this hoodie, and yeah, we're gonna start screen printing. We're gonna do it right here on the floor. We got it nice and tidy. Oh, let me show you guys the design. Put W's in the chat. What do you think?
I love it.
I know, it looks good, right?
Mm-hmm. Looks
You know
good.
what? I outdid myself here. I outdid myself. Literally perfect. This teaches you not to listen to the haters. Yeah, and you're the hater.
Okay.
That's a hashtag joke, by the way. Alright, I want to make sure that this goes good, so we're going to take a lot here and just put it at the top. Let's see how this comes out. We're going to flood it. That's the first round, essentially. Let's see how it looks when we lift it up. We got a little there. We gotta clean our hands. We gotta make sure it's clean. You know what?
This is not your shirt, right?
This is not the
You have a
official
better
shirt.
fabric shirt, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.